Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda. Today I actually have a haul video for you guys. So Zaful was kind enough to send me a gift certificate and I was able to select a couple different pieces to add to my wardrobe. I haven't really been buying clothes since I got here just because I'm trying to save a little bit of money, which doesn't really make any sense because I've been buying BTS merch and stuff for my apartment, but I didn't want to buy clothes with the money that I've been making yet just because I don't really see it as a priority or a necessity. I have plenty of clothes. Before I get into the video, don't forget to follow me on all my different social media accounts and make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future posts from me. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is this sweater vest. I actually posted myself wearing this sweater vest in an Instagram post, so definitely go check out my Instagram. But I love this sweater vest. I've seen it so many times on Pinterest and I think even on Instagram, and I absolutely love it. So it has this beautiful houndstooth design. Of course it's black and white because like when am I not wearing black or white? I need to broaden my horizons, but black and white is just so easy to match and wear stuff with, so I don't see myself changing my ways anytime soon. This is an oversized sweater vest. I believe I got it in a size small, which I think is the smallest size it comes in. I'm not 100% sure. I will leave the links to all these items in the description box just in case you do want to check them out. It's longer in the back than it is in the front. I would just pair this with a button down or maybe even a turtleneck and maybe even a skirt or some jeans. It's a really simple piece, but you can style it in so many different ways. That's why I love it. I think this is my favorite piece overall and I think it fits the best. So, and sweater vests are just very trendy right now. I'm obsessed with them. The next thing I got is another black and white sweater item, but I'm kind of disappointed in this because it's a little bit different from what I saw in the picture. It's a cropped plaid sweater and it has their just oversized sleeves. The reason I'm disappointed in this item is because it's super cropped. In the picture, I swear it wasn't this cropped. It sits literally just under my boob. So if I was to lift my arms, that sweater's going like right up and it's gonna show everything. So I don't even know how I'm supposed to wear this item. In theory, it's very cute. I just don't think it's practical, and I tried it on with so many different bottoms. Like I tried it on with a skirt, with some high-waisted jeans, and it just doesn't sit right and it doesn't look right. So I guess maybe you should size up if you want it to be slightly longer. This is a size small, but I don't know how I'm supposed to wear it. The next two pieces are skirts. They're the exact same skirt, just two different colors, and surprise surprise, I got one in white and one in black. The only thing with the white one is it's kind of see-through, so you're gonna have to wear spandex shorts or something underneath it, like nude spandex shorts. These are just tennis skirts or the typical schoolgirl skirts. They're very cute and very trendy. I see them all the time incorporated in outfits on Pinterest, and that's where I get most of my fashion inspiration. So obviously I wanted to get a couple of these. My only thing is that the waist is a little bit big on both of them, and these were the smallest sizes that they came in, so they both are size small. The way that I'd be wearing them, I would have the waist covered, so it's not really that big of a deal if it's slightly bigger. I would probably style these with an oversized sweatshirt and a button down underneath it, or even with the sweater vest, I was thinking with a turtleneck. I feel like these skirts are very versatile and you can wear them in so many different ways. That's why I wanted them. You can't go wrong with black or white, and I keep saying this, that's why I literally buy everything in black and white because they're just so easy. The next piece I was really excited about, but it's another miss for me. It's this pair of plaid pants, and as you can see, they're black, white, and gray. It has this really nice zipper detailing and it has a ring zip. The only reason I'm disappointed in this piece is just from the way that it fits. It's too big around the waist, but it fits kind of snug around my legs. I guess maybe my body's not proportionate to the bottom sizing. This doesn't fit me like at all. The waist is literally ginormous, but it fits my thighs. Not a good look. I really love plaid pants right now, and I see them all the time on the street. The next piece is probably my second favorite piece, and I already wore this a bunch of times since I got it. It is the plaid shacket, and this is one of the only colored pieces that I purchased in this haul. It's a forest green and cream plaid shacket, and these are really popular right now. Again, I've seen so many outfits on Pinterest that incorporate this, pretty much this exact shacket. Basically a thicker plaid shirt that you can wear as a jacket, hence the word shacket. Really easy to just throw this over top any outfit, and it's oversized obviously. It's like jeans, a t-shirt, a turtleneck, I don't know, baseball cap or something. It's a whole look, it's a vibe, you know? I also got it in a size medium so that it was extra oversized, but I probably could have gone for a small. The second last piece that I purchased is this scarf. When I got to Korea, it was super cold and there has been a lot of snowstorms and stuff. Coming from Canada, I honestly didn't bring a lot of winter stuff. I brought my one winter jacket and that's about it. I should have packed a scarf, but I didn't. I decided to purchase a scarf. It's this beautiful brown color, like a lighter brown, and it has black and white plaid in it. I love how big it is, so you can tie it in so many different ways, or you could just have it draped around your neck and with a nice trench coat. Like, that's a whole vibe. The last thing I purchased was a purse. I haven't used this purse yet, but I'm obsessed with it. This style of purse is very trendy right now. It looks like this. So this is like a reptile skin patent leather, fake patent leather type purse. It's one of those bags that you can just have on your shoulder like this, and this shape is just very trendy right now. It has gold detailing, so the zipper's gold and the buckles are gold. It's a pretty decent size purse, I would say. You could fit quite a few things in here. It really elevates any outfit, and I've seen this purse paired with like a tennis skirt and an oversized sweater with like a button down, or even like a turtleneck and some Air Force Ones, and that's a whole vibe. I think that that outfit is so cute. But you can obviously style this purse with so many different outfits too, and it will really elevate your outfit and make you look more expensive. And then when you spend a certain amount of money, you get a free gift. So I just chose this velvet scrunchie with little pearls on it, and I thought that was super cute, you know, just a cute little hair accessory. That's everything that I got from Zaful. For the most part, I loved most of the items. I will leave links down below to all of the items that I purchased in case you are interested in any of them. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.